we will solve this English literature question paper for first semester board examination, which contains Tempest, Reverie, and Ecos. Before that, I would ask you to download Telegram and join my channel, ICSE ISC AB Education Hub. I'm asking you to do so because I have uploaded files, PDFs, and handwritten notes of English literature there. So you must download. I'll keep on uploading more material for your board examination that may help you. Link to the Telegram channel is in the description box and also available in the I button. Where does the scene 1 of Act 3 take place? Answer is B, before Prospero's cell. And I've also uploaded Act 3 Scene 1. I'll be uploading Scene 2 and Scene 3 after this video. So you can watch if you haven't watched the explanation. What is Ferdinand referring to as a mean task? Answer is carrying the wooden logs and placing them in a pile. Who gave this task to him? Prospero. Prospero is Miranda's father. Earlier it was done by Caliban. How long did Miranda say that they will be safe for? Answer is 3 hours. What is the Latin meaning of Miranda? It means admired, as he said admired Miranda in his text. What is the one quality that Miranda considers to be the jewel in her door? Answer is her modesty. What form of address does Prospero use for Miranda in the scene? Answer is poor worm, because she is affected by love of Ferdinand. What has the worm been infected with? Answer is love for Ferdinand. Why does Ferdinand wish to know Miranda's name? To pray for her. How does Miranda violate her father's instruction? By revealing her name to Ferdinand. She discloses her name in Act 3, Scene 1. Who is the third person unseen by Miranda and Ferdinand? Answer is D, Prospero. What is it referred to in the line? And all the more it seeks to hide itself. Answer is true love. I'll also share this PDF in Telegram channel. Why did Prospero assign Ferdinand the task of carrying logs of wood? Answer is to test his love for Miranda. What are both Miranda and Ferdinand unaware of? The invisible presence of Prospero. Now Miranda says, "Oh my father, I have broke your hest to say so." Question. To whom is Miranda speaking? Answer is B, Ferdinand. They'll be giving you one line just like RTC, and they'll ask you question based on that. Of what Miranda regret? That she revealed her name. Now Act 3, Scene 2. Servant monster, the folly of the island. They say there's 5 upon this isle, we are 3 of them. If the other 2 be brain like us, the state totters. Now who is the speaker? Answer is Trinculo. Who is servant monster? Caliban. Who is addressed as the folly of this island? The inhabitants of the island. And you know that Miranda and Prospero were the inhabitants of this island. Who are these 3 people? Said by him. Caliban, Trinculo, Stefano. Who comes a little later in an invisible manner? Answer is Ariel. Caliban is addressed with various names by both Stefano and Trinculo. Which one of the following is not one of them? Answer is dull thing. Trinculo, keep a good tongue in your head. If you prove a mutineer, the next tree. Who is the speaker? Stefano. Keep a good tongue in your head. What kind of expression is given here? Answer is proverbial expression. It's not argumentative, not exclamatory. It's proverbial expression. What title does Stefano assume in this sentence? King of the island. Caliban, how does thy honor let me lick thy shoe? I'll not serve him. He's not valiant. Means he's not brave. What is Caliban ready to do when to show honor to Stefano? He's ready to lick his shoes. In whose voice does Ariel speak invisibly to cause trouble while Caliban speaks? Answer is Trinculo. What is the first thing Caliban asked Stefano do to kill Prospero? Answer is seize his books. Because Caliban knows everything about Prospero, and Prospero, being a magician, he reads a lot of books and magical stuff. Is it so brave, alas? What does the word brave mean here? Answer is good looking. What proposal did Caliban give to Stefano for killing Prospero? Marry Prospero's daughter Miranda and become the king of the island. Who is Caliban calling a pied ninny? Answer is Trinculo. What does pied ninny mean? It means motley fellow. What is Ariel's intention in being a part of the conversation between Stefano and Caliban? Answer is Ariel wants to deliberately cause a quarrel between Stefano and Trinculo. Stefano, if keep a good tongue in your head if you prove a mutineer. What is the meaning of mutineer? It means a person, especially a soldier or sailor, who rebels or refuses to obey the orders of a person in authority. So answer is Trinculo. Caliban, I am a subject to a tyrant, a sorcerer. Who is a tyrant and sorcerer according to Caliban? Answer is Prospero. Stefano, how now shall this be compassed? Canst thou bring me to the party? Who is referred as party? Answer is Prospero. Stefano, I'll turn my mercy outdoors and make a stockfish of thee. What does stockfish mean? It means a dried, cold fish. Now, Stefano, you very well know he is a butler. How much did Stefano have swum in the sea? Answer is 35 leagues, according to him. Who is referred as he in the line? He is not variant. Answer is Trinculo. What does Stefano mean by saying the next tree? Answer is Trinculo would be hanged on the next tree. What role does Ariel play in the scene? Remain invisible to watch them. What is the meaning of the word nonpareil? Means matchless beauty. Who is Sycorax? Caliban's mother. If Stefano becomes the king, what will happen to Miranda? She will be the wife of Caliban. See, Caliban earlier tried to rape Miranda. It is not mentioned in the text, but it was said if you go through the original text. And he also was restricted by Prospero. He was made a slave just because of his bad deeds. Which position does Stefano promise Caliban and Trinculo in his kingdom? Answer is viceroys. Who is referred as a terror in the scene? Answer is Ariel. Which word means of music? Answer is harmony. Alonso. Give us kind keepers, heavens. Who are kind keepers? Answer is good angels. What surprising event takes place just before this dialogue? Spirits serving feast at Prospero's command. Who among is Alonso's brother? Answer is Sebastian. What is meant by living drollery? Means a live puppet show. So you have to learn the meanings of difficult words that are in Tempest. As the men are about to eat the banquet set before them, Ariel appears in what form? Answer is a harpy. When Ariel makes the banquet disappear, what do the men do? Answer is draw their swords. It was an illusion, right? Which bird's successor arise from its ashes? Answer is phoenix. What comment does Gonzalo make regarding the islanders? Islanders are gentle. Sebastian, the next advantage will we take thoroughly. What does he mean by the next advantage? Right moment to execute their plan. What kind of man is Gonzalo by nature? Sympathetic personality. What kind of characteristic traits of Gonzalo is seen when he says the islanders are gentle? Positivity. What does Sebastian want to do when he speaks? The next advantage will we take thoroughly? Kill Prospero. What kind of scene is this scene? Now, this is a banquet scene. Act 3, Scene 3. Who condemns travelers as per Antonio? Natives. Who had hanging throats? Mountaineers. Who made the banquet vanish? Ariel. Who is called as putter out? Answer is investor. What is named for a mythical monster with the body of a woman and the wings and claws of a bird? Harpy. Ariel was the harpy. Who causes the banquet vanish? Ariel. Who are the three men of sin? Alonso, Sebastian, and Antonio. You fools! I and my fellows are ministers of fate. Who is the speaker? Answer is Ariel. What is meant by ministers of fate? Instruments of destiny. Who are the fools called by speaker? Alonso, Sebastian. Oh, it is monstrous, monstrous. Methought the billow spoke and told me of it. Alonso is saying. What does Alonso mean by it? His misdeed. Gonzalo. All three of men are desperate, their great killed, like poison given to work a great time after. Follow them swiftly. In the speech, what feeling of Gonzalo is seen? Sympathetic. Now we'll start with Ecos and Reverie in the next video, that is part 2. Thank you for watching.